Subaru is one of the world's most recognized auto brands, built a high-performance enterprise CDP to turn tire-kicking customers into buyers. Dealerships use the platform as a smart messaging tool, achieving amazing conversion rates. Subaru segment audience based on customer journey stages target those audience segment most likely to buy, and by collecting those data, it can support uh, from different levels. First, we are going to talk about local level. At local level, it can enhance marketing and advertising. It also can increase the dealership sales using online data for offline lead scoring and increase the amount of maintenance the dealership get to perform. And second, gain the customer trust and respect via working on their cars and increase customer loyalty. So at corporate level, with unified data, Subaru experienced improved performance rates, better collaboration and communication between marketing and sales team, and enhanced ability of their sales staff to engage with in-store prospects. People are increasingly expecting more personalized content and a better customer experience, but not at any cost. And by this data, Subaru can decide a cost that is not too high, also is not too low.
Data collection. To collect data, we will be using the VIN, which also is known as the Vehicle Identification Number, which will be used as the primary key in our database. We'll be using the VIN to identify cars as we put them in our system. If need be, we could use the VIN to pull more data information for cars. We will also be using the miles driven on the cars to determine when maintenance is due. So if a car is near 100,000 miles, that means it's almost near an oil change and tire rotation. So we can send out emails saying that you need service on your car. Also, it will be used as warranty experiment. So if your car is near 100,000 miles, that means the warranty on the engine or transmission is almost near its end. So we won't cover it anymore. It'll be on you. So we can also send out emails for that too. We will also use this as average miles per location. We use this because people in the city drive a shorter distance to work than people in the country do. This will play a major role in our database. The car mileage will be updated every 2 weeks and every few thousand miles to make sure that we collect everybody's information.
How to use data collected. Subaru will use the data to remind the customers when they will need maintenance. This could be from oil changes to tire rotation and keeping up with daily maintenance. They can also suggest to customers that their maintenance should be done at a Subaru dealership because this helps keep track of when their maintenance is done by one company instead of multiple companies. The data will also be used to let customers know when their warranty is about to expire. Subaru can also use the data to keep track of when the customers bought certain parts for the vehicle and the warranty that comes with the new parts. That way, if the part goes out, they can get it redone with no expense. Help improve data on what parts break after how long to keep track of what parts are malfunctioning the most.
All right, so as said before, the primary key on this particular table is going to be the VIN number. The reason why we're going to use the VIN number is so that we can improve Subaru's existing databases and data. The main table for this will store the VIN, model, year, consumer name, address, zip code, and miles driven. The database will be used to calculate average miles driven by zip code. This will be done using a select query that'll select the cars within the range of needing service. And from that query, a report that'll show the names and addresses and miles driven will be made, so this way you can quickly have labels ready to go for envelopes. This is an example of what that table would look like. You have the VIN, the model, the year, the miles driven, street address, zip code, last name, first name. And from that, you'll be able to quickly just make queries to go from there and improve upon existing data.